Hi guys, in this video we're going to solve some interesting math problems. So here we have question number 1 a bit, which says is 2352 a perfect square? Justify your answer. So first of all we'll find out the prime factors of 2352. So we'll write down 2352 and using the long division we're going to solve for the prime factors. So 2 times 1176, then we have 2 times 588, then we'll have 2 times 294, then we'll have 2 times 147, then we'll have 3 times 49, then we'll have 7 times 7 is 49 and 7 times 1 is 7. So what are the prime factors of 2352? That's equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 7 times 7. Let's make pairs. 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 7 and 7. Since 3 is not in pair, we cannot calculate the square root of 2352. Therefore, 2352 is not a perfect square. Question number 1 B bit. Dean says that 13% is greater than 0.1. Is Dean correct? Give a reason for your answer. So let's convert this percentage into decimal and then compare the two quantities. So we have 13%, 0.1. So 13% can be written as 13%. Change the percent symbol to per 100, out of 100. So 13 out of 100 is 0.13 and this is 0.1. So which one is greater? Here we have 0.1, here we have 0.1. The second digit after 1 here is 0. So 0.10 is lesser than 0.13. So yes, Dean says that 13% is greater. Dean is correct. Yes. Let's see question number 2. Tom and Jerry both earn the same monthly salary. Each month, Tom saves 35% of his salary. Jerry spends 3/5 of his salary and saves the rest of his salary. Work out who saves the most money each month. You must show your working. Alright, so let's make the list of their savings. Tom saves 35% and Jerry spends 3/5 of his salary and saves the rest of his salary. So if he spends 3/5 of his salary, so let's convert 3/5 into a percentage. So percent is per 100. That's out of 100. So how can we convert 5 to 100? By multiplying 5 times 20. So same thing you have to multiply here. 3 times 20 is 60. So how much? 60 per 100. So that's 60%. So he is spending 60% of his salary. How much is left out of 100%? 100% minus 60%, that's 40%. So he is saving 40% of his salary. So 40% is more than 35%. Therefore, Jerry saves more. Question number 3 a bit. Work out 5 6 minus 1 7. So all you have to do is find out the common denominator. It will be 6 times 7 and here 7 times 6. So you have multiplied 7 here. So that will be 5 times 7. You've multiplied 6 here. So this will be 1 times 6. And that's equal to 5 times 7 is 35 over 42 minus 6 over 42. 35 minus 6 is 29 over 42 and that's your answer. Work out 1 3/4 times 1 1/2. So just times this. 4 times 1 plus 3. So that's equal to 7/4 times 2 times 1 plus 1. That's 3 2. That's equal to 7 times 3 is 21 over 4 times 2 is 8 and that's your answer. If you want to write it as a mixed fraction, how many 8s do you have in 21? 2. And how many are left out? 5 8s. That's your answer. Work out 7 8 divided by 3/4. all you have to do is just apply KFC rule. Keep the first fraction, that's 7/8. Flip the second fraction, that is 4/3. Change the sign from division to multiplication. And just simplify. 4 times 1, 4 times 2. Now multiply them. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 3 is 6. And that's your answer. If you want it as a mixed number, how many 6 do you have in 7s? 1. And what's the remaining number? That's 1/6. That's your answer. Work out 156 times 2 9s. So again, same, multiply and add. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11/6 times 2/9. So you can simplify it. 2 times 3 is 6. Now multiply them. 11 times 1 is 11. Over 3 times 9 is 27. That's your answer. Work out the difference between 20% of 90 and 3/7 of 49. So first we are going to find what is 20% of 90s. So 20% means 20 per 100. 20 out of 100. Of means multiplication times 90. Cancel out the zeros. 10 times 2 is 20. So you have 2 times 9 is 18. So you can simply cancel out the percent symbol and the 2 zeros. Multiply them. 2 times 9 is 18. 3/7 of 49. So 3/7 times 49. So 7 times 7 is 49. 3 times 7 is 21. So what's the difference between this and this? 21 and 18. So the difference is equal to 3. Question number 6. There are 924 people in a theater. 383 of the people are men. 356 of the people are women. 2/5 of the children are boys. Work out how many girls are in the theater. We have number of people 924, number of men 383, number of women 356. Total number of children is equal to 924 minus, you'll have 383 plus 356. So that will be equal to 185 children. Among them, 2/5 of the children are boys. So let's find out 2/5 of 185, that's 180 times 185. So when you calculate 5 times 3, 5 times 7. So 37 times 2 is equal to 74. That means 74 children are boys. Work out how many girls are in the theater. So as 2/5 are boys, so we can do 1 minus 2/5, that will be equal to 3/5. So 3/5 of them are girls. So let's find out 3/5 of 185. That's just equal to, again the same thing, 5 times 37. 37 times 3 is 111 girls. That's your answer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.